Here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? As you can see, we have a list here, and in the next line, we are replicating this list inside a list 3 times, and then we are appending 3. So you might have thought the correct output of this code is 1 2 1 2 3 times, but that's not the case. It's 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 times. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here we need to understand this part. So first A is 1 and 2, and B is A star 3, that means 1 2. This is in a list, and then again 1 2, and then again 1 2. So initially this was the list, and when we appended 3 here, this is A. So this 3 got added in this, and this become 1 2 3. And since a separated list isn't created, that's why when we make changes in this list, this will be reflected back in this list as well. That means here will be 3, here will be 3, and here will be 3 also. This is something called shared difference, and this was the output.